ninth chapter probability. This chapter belongs to mathematics 2A part 22. Last part completed impounded 7 marks problem by using Bayes theorem. That Bayes theorem model problems are very impounded in IB examination. That's why can explain all problems. Here first next problem is similar model problem. In a certain college, 25% of the boys, 25% of the boys and 10% of the girls are studying mathematics. 25% of the boys studying mathematics, 10% of the girls also be studying mathematics. The girls constitute 60% of the students' strength. The girls consist of 60% of the total strength. Total strength 60% having girls, remaining boys. If a student selected random is found studying mathematics, if a student selected random, that student studying mathematics, find the probability that the student is girl. Student is a girl and that student studying mathematics. What is that probability? First of all, total strength, how many percent of girls? Given that 60% of girls 60% of girls constitute of total strength. Then probability of girls, P of G, probability of girls nothing but G, P of G equal to 60%, nothing but you can write 60 by 100, 60 by 100, you can write 2 3s are 2 5s are 3 by 5. After that, remaining how many percentage is there? Total 100% strength, 60% girls, remaining 40% boys. That's why 40% of the boys constitute of total strength. This is very important point. Here the probability of the probability of boys, P of boy nothing but be equal to 40%, nothing but 40 by 100, you get 4 by 2 2s are 2 5s are, you get 2 by 5. This one is also be completed. Next, here 25% of the boys are studying mathematics. 25% of the boys studying the mathematics. Here first occurring boy, after that mathematics. That's why you can write P of first occurring one here boys, M by boy, M nothing but mathematics, event of mathematics, D nothing but boy. First you selected boy, after that boy studying mathematics. P of M by B is 25%. You can write 25 by 100. That's why you can write 1 by 4. Similarly, 10% of girls, 10% of the girls studying mathematics. 10% of the girls studying mathematics. Then P of mathematics by girls is equal to 10%. I think but 10 by 100. You can write 10 by 100 but 1 by 10. After that, the probability. What is the find the probability? The probability selected student studying mathematics. Selected student studying mathematics and is a girl. Is a girl. Nothing but the find the probability. You have to select one student. That student studying mathematics first. After that, that student is a girl. That's why you can find P of first mathematics are started after girls. G by M is equal to how much? By the Bayes theorem. By the Bayes theorem, you can write formula. You don't know write a formula Bayes theorem, direct write a formula. P of G by M equal to P of G into P of M by G, mathematics by girl, all by P of boy into P of mathematics boy plus P of girl into P of mathematics girl. This is a formula, very important formula. In this formula, you can write all values. You know that P of G value is 3 by 5. P of G value is 2 by 5. P of M by G value is 1 by 4. P of M by G value is 1 by 10. P of G by M equal to P of G 3 by 5 into P of M by G 1 by 10 all by P of D. P of D value is what? From the point 2 by 5. P of M by D 1 by 4 plus P of G 3 by 5. P of M by G 1 by 10. Simplify this, we get 3 into 1 3 by 10 5s are 50. Here 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2 to the equal to 1 by 5 to the 10. 3 by 50. You have to take LCM of the denominator. Denominator LCM is 50. 10 5s are 5 into 1 5 plus 3. 50 50 get cancelled. 3 5 5 plus 3 8. Therefore, the probability of G by M is 3 by 8. What is the meaning of G by M? The probability of selected student studying mathematics. That student is a girl, probability is 3 by 8. This is one more model by using Bayes theorem. Next problem is, an urn contains W white balls. How many white balls? W white balls and small B black balls. Two players Q and R alternatively draw a with replacement from the R. Two players, here two players names is Q and R. These two players are with the replacement from the R play. The player that draws a white ball first to win the game. Which player having first white ball, that player or win, otherwise you get a black ball, that player or loss. If Q wins the game, find the probability that Q win the race. Here, win the game. Here, first of all, the probability of W. Probability of after W equal to how many total balls? W white balls, W black balls, nothing but W plus B. Here, how many favorable condition? Only W favorable condition. Similarly, the probability of black balls, total W plus B, in this W plus B, only B black balls is there. This is the first point. After that, two players are play the game Q and R. Here Q win the game. Q begins the game and Q win the game probability you can find. Q win the game, you get that the player draw the ball is white ball. Correct or not? First of all, E be the event. E be the event. Q win the game. Q in the game. Then the probability E is what here? E in the game. Here E is equal to first to Q in the game. First choices you get a white ball. Correct or not? First choices you draw the white ball. First choices is white ball is there. Next which choices Q in the game? Third choices. Suppose first choice first time Q win the game. That is W. Suppose first time Q lost the game, remaining third time Q win the game. B, W. First two times you can draw the black ball. After that, first time, third time Q win the game. Next, which time Q win the game? Next which time? Suppose first time start time Q lost the game. Next two times. After the fifth time Q win the game. Fifth time nothing but first three times are black balls. Fifth time you can write white balls and so on. The probability P of equal to P of W union D E W union D B D D W union and so on. We can write that these are the mutually exclusive ways. That's why we can write P of W plus P of B D W plus P of B W plus and so on. This can be P of W. These are the independent events. That's why we can write P of B into P of B into P of W plus P of B into P of B into P of B into P of B into P of W plus and so on. These are terms you can common P of W. You get 1 plus P of B whole square plus P of B whole power 4 plus and so on. You can write this is P of W 1 plus this is P of W number P of W whole square plus this is P of W whole square plus and so on. This is in the form of arithmetic progression. A plus AR square nothing but 1 plus x plus x square form like that. 1 plus x plus x square. This is also written 1 by 1 minus x. In this formula, x value is P of W. That's why P of E equal to P of W. Here this is B Z. Sorry, here this is B Z. This is also B of 1 by 1 minus P of B. Here P of B, x value is what here? P of B whole scale is there. You can write whole scale. Here this P of W value you can write W by W plus B. P of B value you can write B by W plus B. You can win the game of A probability, win the game of Q probability are coming. Suppose win R in the game probability is 1 minus Q win the game probability. You can easily understand this total from this sum. Hint is given. You can use this hint. You can find the total problem. This is the unexpected 7-mark problem in IK examination.